Hello, curious learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of our furry feline friends, cats. Are you ready to discover some amazing facts about different types of cats? Let's dive right in. Did you know that there are more than 70 different cat breeds around the world? From the sleek Siamese to the fluffy Maine Coon, each breed has its own unique characteristics and personalities. Cats come in all sizes and some of them are truly majestic. Meet the big cats, lions, tigers and cheetahs. They are not your typical house pets, but they are magnificent creatures that roam the wild. Cats have incredible senses that help them navigate their world. Their keen sense of smell, sharp vision, and those adorable whiskers all play a role in their daily adventures. Cats are natural hunters. Their ancestors needed to catch their own food, and those instincts are still present in our domestic kitties today. Have you ever seen your cat pounce on a toy or chase a feather? That's their hunting skills in action. Cats have some quirky behaviors that can be quite amusing. From kneading with their paws to the soothing sound of their purring, these behaviors are their unique ways of communicating with us. Ever wonder what your cat is trying to tell you? Cats communicate through their body language, the position of their ears, the flick of their tail, and even the way they gaze at you. It's like they have their own secret code. Beyond their mysterious ways, cats make wonderful companions. They may have independent personalities, but they also form strong bonds with their human families. The purring cuddles and gentle headbutts are their way of saying, "I love you." And there you have it, our young explorers. Cats are truly amazing creatures with so much to offer. From their diverse breeds to their playful antics, they continue to capture our hearts. We hope you had a fantastic time learning about cats today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and remember, keep exploring. Thank you for joining us on this feline adventure. If you want to learn more about the wonders of the animal kingdom, stay tuned for our next exciting exploration.